My boy Harry Terry popped up. So we're back. You're trying to get me demonetized, yo? We're going to Wallingford, back to the old shop because Don's moving back in, and yeah, we have to steal. Don bought the lift from Jimmy and the loft, and we're gonna make one in his garage. Yeah. Above the EVO. We're gonna take this dad's Porsche and Jaguar and Mercedes out of the garage. Yeah. Call the manager, tell him I want a shit. He said, you better no shit on the bed, you son of a bitch. We got the jammer. No problems. That succubus didn't give us any fucking issues.
See your claws? Yo!
What up, yo? What up? Oh, dude, I have your friggin'. I don't have your thing because I don't have my car.
The vice grips?
Oh, it's all good. Holy shit! What up, boy?
Nice. Well, no, that too, but the seat goes back.
What's up, dude? How we going?
On that one.
So we just left Jimmy's shop and now we're going to Mitsubishi. We have to get one bolt.
My boy's never heard of Lowe's. Why do people plasti dip fucking Maseratis? Christ. I can't believe I just saw a plasti dip Maserati.
I can't believe we're in Chicago.
Yeah, right? You want to go to Willow Street, dude? Straight ahead? Go to Willow Street and see all the homies. See all the stores I used to sell fucking expired candy to with Nabil's uncle.
Yo! Damn! Fucking putting them on blast.
Watch out for the needle, guys.
What the? Dude, I'm getting lightheaded from laughing so hard. What the fuck?
They're just posted up with the fucking geese. I was gonna film these atrocious stacks, but this dude started dying into fucking geese. Free Slurpee Day, but they don't have cock. You don't have the flavor I like it. We're just watching that video, Only Pranks yesterday. How to get that Mr. Mime Detective Pikachu mystery, Jamie. It's like bubblegum, dude. You guys spot the thing that's wrong with this? We're at a Mitsubishi place. Mitsubishi, Dodge, Mitsubishi.
Thank you guys.
So, thank you. Shout out to Mid-State Mitsubishi. They're not associated with Barbarino.
They hooked it up. They didn't have the actual like bolt in stock, but this is the same bolt, and he kind of just gave it. Like they kind of just gave it to us. Yeah.
All right. So then what have we got here? Oh, that looks pretty easy to put the alternator back in there.
Yeah, you thought.
What do you mean I thought? I did it with the radiator in the car.
So yeah, this is the alternator, guys. Fresh and new. Got the old bolt on there. So the new bolt should go through here and then bolt onto the bracket. Yeah. Or it's, I don't know, I think it's supposed to go this way or something like that. But yeah, it's a new one.
Should be mint.
Yeah,
Cactus. Yeah, dude. Oh man, we really need to give this thing. This is gonna be a satisfying detail. Oh my god. The interior still looks mint.
That's the best part about the car.
Hell yeah, the interior is crispy, dude. You got the freaking sound package and shit. This company sent me some stuff, dude. I think I can get all this like surface rust off, dude. Just from sitting. Okay, so this bolt has a square on the end of it, which is stopped by this. See how that? It's like,
yeah.
And this side doesn't have it, so this is the way it goes. But the weirdest thing ever is, so this right here, like you can see, there's no like hole for the bolt to go in. It's just like a recessed thing. So there's no room for it. So what Mitsubishi did was they made it like a part of the alternator pretty much. So you just kind of put this on there and then tighten it. And
what about this?
No.
What is? Oh, that's a pulley.
It's for some other shit. I don't know.
No, yeah, that's for a pulley that I took off.
So if anyone wants some brand new ISR tie rods Don never used, I guess hit him up. How much?
I don't know, bro. Like, just hit me up, dude. We'll talk about it.
Yeah, just hit him up.
It doesn't have to be money either, yeah. Like,
yeah, well, you know, whatever.
I haven't really even done anything yet.
Like, I put the alternator in and tightened it. Don, like, walked in his garage twice and he's like... Look at the tip of this dude's nose.
It's dripping into my mouth.
See what I mean? Like, you don't think
what
like,
the fuck, dude?
Like, they stopped.
Oh my god.
They stopped how many times? Like, that car is still trying to fucking park. Oh my god, dude. Give me these cool black sockets.
$20?
Yeah, not bad. So, it's starting to rain, but we got the alternator on. Got this stuff all plugged in. That's all tightened down. Now, we gotta get power steering on, get the belt on, get the battery on. I don't know how much we're gonna be able to do because it's friggin' raining.
I go fucking flying away, dude.
Alright, so, nah, you're just gonna have to hold that.
Alright, so we got the alternator in. Damian is just putting the last bolts into the power steering.
We need to put the belt on, then we gotta put the radiator probably.
You think, oh yeah, it'd probably be easier to put the belt on like now.
Yeah. Apparently this is the new setup. Alright.
Can I get that extension? Dude, I'm getting all wet.
Yeah. I got the things on. Now Don's putting that pulley on. And then the belt. Yeah, we need some light in here, yo.
Yeah, my parents fucking put showroom lights in.
These are showroom lights?
Like, look at, they just go over the cars. That's it.
Yeah, dude. Fuck that wrench up. So we got everything figured out. This is a long ass belt, but one thing was hanging us up. Now
I'm not wet from the
you
rain.
need the 16 on that tensioner. You need to pull the tension off of it so I can put this on.
Where's the tensioner at?
You're close to it.
What's up with the whip? What's up with the whipping, Tim?
Damn, Nick.
What's up?
Hold on, bro.
Good, Brody.
I haven't seen you in so long.
I know.
Yeah, we just fucking, we're about to start this bitch up soon.
What's wrong? What's up with it?
Needed an alternator, fuse was fucked up, and now we gotta put the radiator support and all that heebie-jeebies back on.
Back when thin was long?
Before wide was north.
Before around was brown. So we just bugged out and got this back on. Now we just have to tighten it. Alright, so now we're just out here bugging out, and basically, where the hell, bro, is the hood pull cable? Because we need to connect.
On for shoot. What the fuck, man?
Fucking exposed! Oh, dude, you know what I mean? Fucking
Don't even tell me I thought you were gonna start filling cups up.
Oh, dude, when the hell was there a Coke out here? You gave me water. I don't want healthy stuff. Oh, look, an empty cup. Look, good looks, guy. Did you put the battery in?
Yeah.
So we're fucking pretty much ready.
I think we gotta go buy fucking coolant.
So what you thinking about that there in there? Got some freaking tubular thing in there, you know? You got another thing here. Start it up and I'll pour it in as you do that. I'm really good at funnels. Dude, you need to start it. Like, it needs to circulate.
I think you're scared.
I'm nervous. Hold on. I'm going to get out of the way in case the clutch sticks.
My wheel flies up.
The throw-out bearing throws in and then we're fucked.
Figure it out.
Yes! Or it's the weirdest shit hearing this run. Dude, it sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Like, there's no weird noises coming from the engine after sitting for so dang long. You gotta let it run until the radiator, turn the heat on, yeah. Now we're just waiting for the fans to kick on. Put the rest of this here water in there. Yeah, that's a solid move right there. Almost as good as me. But to be safe, yeah. Man, you still know how to use this, dude?
I almost forgot I had to be in on stuff.
access port, boy. That doesn't come with the car though. He'll flash whatever tune you want, but he's keeping the port. So if anything happens, you can't do shit. Alright, we're gonna go fucking drive this thing. What is that? It's a CRX. Those are the dudes who try to break into your shit.
I forgot how to drive standard. The brakes aren't working.
Whoa.
What?
Are your wheels tight?
I think so.
I just felt like a...
No, that was literally just the brakes.
Oh, okay. Because it's just been sitting for that long.
I definitely have a flat tire.
You sure?
Dude, come on.
What? Maybe you just fucking forgot how it rides. I don't know.
Look at low tire pressure, dude. I have a flat tire. And the stock wheels are on.
None of them are actually flat.
Oh.
It says low tire pressure, not no tire pressure.
With flat tires, like it pulled. Like,
Does it pull?
you didn't feel it pull?
No. Go past Nick. Go past Nick. Dude. Dude, I feel like I miss this car more than you do.
Holy shit. I can't believe I'm driving this right now. I'm gonna turn around and that's it.
I think you spun going past Nick a little bit. Seem to be freaking driven on.
There you go, guys. Car's running and driving good.
The belt doesn't even squeak. I thought the belt was gonna squeak because all the rust on the pulleys.
I'm flat or tired?
Pretty bad.
Big guy, big umbrella. No overheating?
No.
We're mint. Hell yeah. Evo's back. Evo's back, boys. Everyone leave down in the comments what Don should do with this. If you guys want to buy it, or if he should put liability on it. Alright, well. We're about to go head over to Nick's. Hell yeah, I gotta fix this exhaust maybe tomorrow. But stuck at last, Papa, let's run it. We're about to, dude. Oh, I can't wait to wash this thing. Clay bar, goo gone. De-stank this thing heavy. As fucking dirty and like shit as everything looks on it, the car still looks good though. That's about it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Throw it in the comments what you guys think about the Evo, because if you guys want to see more of this, like bringing this thing back to life, this is the first step, you know. As you can see, there's literally moss underneath the taillight. So this will be the first of many videos getting this thing back up in either selling or maybe keeping, if I can convince them, shape. Peace out.